In my previous video, we discussed some Wi-Fi network issues. Now, if you're having Windows 10 can't connect to this network error while trying to connect Wi-Fi connection, you might want to forget your wireless connection in order to fix this problem. To forget wireless network on Windows 10, do the following. Open Network and Internet Settings. Go to Wi-Fi section from left side. Click Manage Non-Networks. Select your wireless network and click Forget. After you have done that, connect to same wireless network again. Now you will be able to connect to this network. I hope this video was useful. Please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video, and for more videos please subscribe to our channel.